baking diva. Well, I need your help. Help! My birthday was on March 30th, and that day I had an appointment for a haircut. So I was pulling out of my garage, and as I entered the driveway, this woman came running up to the side of my car, and I opened the window, and she said, "Oh, I wanted to surprise you," because apparently my son and grandson and my neighbor were outside because my son's been working on building a koi pond, and she must have said, "Is Dolores there?" And they said, "She's in the car." So she ran over to the car, and I pulled down my window, and you see this bag that says happy birthday on it? Well, she pushed the bag gently in through the window, and she said, "I wanted to surprise you." And I didn't even see her face. It happened so quickly. I kind of looked over, but she was up here, and I said, "Oh," and I saw it was a birthday bag, and I said, "Oh, it's a birthday present." And she said, "Yes." And then, while I went to look in the bag and I started to say thank you, next thing I know, she was gone. And honestly, I have no clue who it was. I opened the bag, and let me show you what was in the bag. There was this really nice insulated lavender colored, like a thermos bottle, and she went through all the trouble of putting my logo on it that says the Baking Diva, and then there was another one in there. This is like a light turquoise blue. It's a little bit smaller. I love them both. They both have instructions in them, how long it keeps your drink, hot or cold, and it has my logo on it. I have no clue who this woman was. Now, obviously, it has to be someone that knows where I live, and I don't give out my address. So I got in the house, and I went through the bag, and the little tag on here was blank. But then I saw a happy birthday tag, scotch taped to it, and what it said on it is, "Love your videos. However, you're missing a key item. Advertise yourself. Happy birthday." But the lady didn't sign her name, and I feel terrible to give me such a nice birthday present. I can't even thank her. And I went on the avenue of putting this on Facebook. I thought, well, maybe it's someone on Facebook, but I didn't get any response. I went on one of the group sites I'm on from my town, and I thought, well, maybe it's the lady that runs the group. I mean, I know she knows where I live, but I didn't get a response from that either. So this is my last resort. All I want to do is thank this person for her kindness and for giving me these really nice birthday presents. And it's driving me crazy. Why didn't she put her name on here? Maybe she wants to be anonymous and she wanted it to be a surprise, but I want to thank her. So if you're watching, the person that gave me these lovely birthday presents, if you're watching this video, please get in touch with me or leave a comment letting me know it was you, because it was such a nice gesture. It made my day, honestly, and I really appreciate it, and I appreciate the fact that you love my videos. So, if you are the person watching that gave me this, I want to know who you are. So anyway, this little short video is my last resort to find out who gave me this beautiful gift. So if it was you, let me know. So thanks for watching. I love you all. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the little bell. I'd love to have you come along, be part of my YouTube family, and take this little baking journey with me. So, thank you all for indulging me in this. It's my last resort to find out who gave me these gifts. So thank you very much for listening. Love you and appreciate each and every one of you. See you again soon. Toodles!